Hello class, apologies for not attending today. Here is my assignment. Straight out of the course slides, here is the damming data on cows. And as per chart, the exorbitant amount of CO2 equivalent emitted per kilogram of food produced. As a master student, I thought not only to share, but to synthesize by applying these data points to the value function graph we learnt about in our psychology class. Now, zooming on the variables, they are ranked in terms of greenhouse gas emissions, where the more environmentally costly items are at the top, like beef, and the less environmentally costly items are at the bottom, such as most vegetables. Let's drag some of these select items over to the blue section. And we see that tofu, less environmentally costly, is closer to the graph origin, and then chicken in the middle, then beef, the most environmentally costly on the extreme right. Have a look at the y-axis. This is utility, aka my satisfaction of having these items at dinner. The higher the y number, the higher the satisfaction. So firstly, tofu with a minimal increase in satisfaction, then chicken with a marginally higher increase, and steak with the most increase in satisfaction. Now, the negative items on the graph is not negative in efficiency in greenhouse gas emissions. This always messed me up in psychology class, but it is the loss of the same dinner items. So losing tofu is no love loss. It's a minimum dissatisfaction for me. Yet losing your chicken and then your steak dinner is increasingly painful, shown by the concavity of the line. Now, this is only my take, but in wider society, there may be a range of plot shapes. And to further bring in scenario planning, there is a likely probability cloud of responses for everyone in the world. And we see that in pink here. At the end of the day, what we see is that humans behave irrationally. So on one hand, we have the science of climate change, and on the other hand, we have its social factors. This neatly ties a bow and links the graphs back to the title of this class, Climate Change, the Science and Society. Thank you.